Hey everyone, we are here today with a Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty. So this one is called Celebrate, and this is their sparkle putty. So the goal of this one is to be just very sparkly, very pretty. It's the 90-gram size, or 3.2 ounces. From the front here, it looks like it's, kind of a grayish putty with some fun sparkle and confetti pieces. So let's take a quick look at the back here. That's where you'll find a little bit more description of the putty, a little bit of maybe their inspiration for this one. So yeah, it's a party in a tin, a rainbow of bright and happy sparkle confetti. Cool. But let's get this one open and we'll take a look here. And man, look at that. That is really, really pretty right upon opening it. Definitely seeing all that sparkle in there. And this is one that actually has these little bigger sparkle pieces, like these little circles. There's the red, the blue, what else? Kind of light blue, white, gold. I am a fan of those type of confetti pieces. And then there's sparkle in here as well. So, smaller glitter pieces too. But let's get this out and let's take a closer look here. And man, just look how sparkly this is in the light. Very, very pretty. It kind of looks like those little nonpareil sprinkles you would see on icing when it was all bunched up like that. Look at that. It definitely makes me want to celebrate something, that's for sure. As far as the texture of this putty goes, I would say it's a medium texture, maybe even a little bit soft, to be honest. So maybe a bit below medium. The putties, they usually vary from soft to firm in texture. And this one I would say is medium soft, which makes it really nice for stretching or squeezing. Feels very nice on the hands, very fun to play with. Got some crackles there. But just a very pretty putty, just filled to the brim with these little sparkle pieces. And then the putty is, again, kind of a grayish color. Now, a lot of the color of the putty in these is often just from the glitter, really, because as you stretch it out here, you can see then it's kind of clear, in this section right here. So it's really all this different glitter and pieces. So we got red, blue, light blue, gold, silver. Those are what's giving it this color. But here's the one thing I will say about this putty. And I'm wondering, about their inspiration, because when I first saw this Celebrate and the sprinkles, I kind of thought of like birthday cake, and specifically like a vanilla birthday cake. And I think I would have really loved to see this putty be white. If this putty was white instead of this grayish color, I think it would just take it to a whole nother level of really just beautifulness and prettiness. I think it would have really accented the sparkles too. Don't get me wrong, this gray color works super well too with the glitter in here. But I don't know, I kind of have some sense that maybe I would have really liked to see white putty for this one. And then it could have really been like, the vanilla frosting of a cake with some sprinkle pieces. That's what I was thinking when I first read about this putty. But here it is. This is your Crazy Aaron Sparkle Putty. Give it one last good stretch there. Just very, very pretty. I really do like these bigger circular sparkle pieces. There's one other putty I have, the Enchanting Unicorn, that has pieces like this, and that's one of my top 5. These pieces are just so beautiful. But yeah, that is the Celebrate Crazy Aaron's Putty. If you guys have any questions about this one, let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, I would definitely appreciate a like on the video and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. But that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon.